In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you're working on a document, you end up with extra blank pages or sections you just don't need. It can make your document look unprofessional, or it might affect your page count. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the main ways to remove those pages cleanly without breaking the rest of your formatting. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and scroll to the page you want to delete. If it's a page that has text, images, or other content, the key idea is that Word doesn't really delete pages directly. Instead, it deletes the content on those pages. Once the content is gone, the page disappears automatically. Click at the very beginning of the content on that page. Then, hold down the left mouse button and drag down to highlight everything you want to remove on that page. Make sure you select all the text, images, tables, or spaces that belong to that page. When you're sure it's all selected, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. The page should collapse, and the next page will move up into its place. If you're dealing with a stubborn blank page at the end of your document, that's usually caused by extra paragraph marks or a page break. To see what's really on that page, go to the Home tab and turn on the option that shows formatting marks. This will reveal symbols like paragraph marks and section breaks. On the blank page, you'll probably see several paragraph marks or a page break icon. Click just before those marks, drag to highlight them, and delete them. As soon as those hidden items are removed, the blank page should disappear. Sometimes, a page sticks around because of a manual page break or a section break in the middle of your document. If your page break sits between two pages you want to merge, click directly before the break, select it, and delete it. Be aware that section breaks can affect headers, footers, and page orientation. So if you remove one and your layout changes unexpectedly, use Undo and double-check whether that break is really safe to remove. Finally, scroll through your document from top to bottom to make sure all unwanted pages are gone and that your formatting still looks correct. Once everything looks good, save your document so you don't lose your changes. That's all you need to delete pages in Microsoft Word by removing the content, hidden marks, or breaks that are creating them.